today we will discuss the North Sea. It is written by Philip Larkin. The poem consists of 24 lines. Let us begin with the text. I saw 3 ships go sailing by, over the sea, the lifting sea. So, in the first line, the poet has declared the setting of the poem. The poet is standing or sitting somewhere near the sea and he can watch the sea, he can see the sea. And what is he watching? He is looking at some ships. 3 ships are sailing on the sea over the lifting sea. So, because of the buoyant power of water, the sea has been called as lifting sea because it is able to lift ship. So that is why it is called the lifting sea. Let's see the next 2 lines. And the wind rose in the morning sky, and one was rigged for a long journey. So the time is morning and the wind rose in the morning sky, and one of these 3 ships is rigged or equipped or prepared for a long journey. Now let us discuss the next few lines. The first ship turned towards the west, over the sea, the running sea. So the first ship, it turns towards the west, over the sea, the running sea. The sea is called the running sea because of the running water of the sea, the running waves of the sea. That's why the sea is called running sea. So the first ship, it goes towards west and over the running sea. Then what does the poet say? And by the wind was all possessed and carried to a rich country. So that ship, the first ship, has been carried to a rich country. It was possessed. Possessed means captured. Possession means you have the control of something. That means the wind have the control of the ship and it is driven to some rich country somewhere. Then the poet says, or the narrator or the lyrical voice says, the second turns towards the east, over the sea, the quacking sea. The second ship, it turns toward the west, over the sea, the quacking sea. Quacking means moving, trembling or shaking. The sea is shaking, the sea is moving. Since the surface of the sea is moving because of waves, that's why the sea has been called quacking sea. And the wind haunted it like a beast to anchor in captivity. And the wind, it haunted the ship and captured it as if it is anchored. Anchored means, anchored, you can see the picture of anchor, and this is called anchor. It is used in ship as if the ship has been anchored. The power of the wind was such. Let's see the next few lines. The third ship drove towards the north, over the sea, the darkening sea. So the third ship, it sails towards the north and the sea is darkening, it is dark. But no breath of wind came forth and the decks shone frostily. But no wind came to hunt it, and the deck of the ship, it shines because of frost and because of the sun rays. It reflects on the thin frost layer that covers the deck, and because of the approaching sun rays, the deck shines. Then let's see some next lines. The north sky rose high and black over the plowed, unfruitful sea. So the north sky rose high and black. That means the sky is dark. So the darkness of the sea, the darkening sea, because of the sky, because the sky is dark and perilous. That's why the sea is called dark. Over the plowed, unfruitful sea. So the sea is now, it has been called by the poet as plowed and unfruitful. The sea is very powerful. It can destroy everything and anything. That's why it has been called as plowed. It possesses pride. And the next thing is that it is called unfruitful because of the distracting power of water. We know that water can destroy everything and anything, and because of the distracting power of water, it has been called as unfruitful sea. Now let us see next few lines. East and west the ships came back happily or unhappily. So the first 2 ships, the ship that was gone towards west and that was gone towards east, they returned because they were attacked by wind, they were attacked by unfavorable condition, they were attacked by perilous sea, happily or unhappily. So the ships returned happily or unhappily. The poet doesn't know, he does not know whether they were happy or not, but they returned because of the unfavorable weather condition. Let's see the last 4 lines of the poem. But the third went wide and far into an unforgiving sea. So the third ship that went towards north, that went wide and far, that went far away, land somewhere, and into an unforgiving sea. The sea now is called as unforgiving because sea does not forgive anyone. If you have done any mistake, you will definitely be punished by sea. It will take your life, and that's why the sea has been called as unforgiving. Under a fire-spilling star, and it was rigged for a long journey. Under a fire-spilling star means the sun. So the sun is shining on the ship, and the ship is going towards north, and it was rigged, it was equipped, it was prepared for a long journey. And this is all about the poem. In the end, I would like to tell you that the poem is metaphorical, and the 3 ships metaphorically symbolize human life. Some are equipped for long journey, some return quickly. So this is about human life. The 3 ships are basically symbolic and they symbolize human life. So this is about the poem. I hope you can understand. If you have any doubt, you can call me, you can text me. My WhatsApp number has been given. Okay, so that's all for today. Stay tuned.